Hi there, it's Mike. We're talking about how to use the Real Estate Newsletter Assistant. This is a simple tool with ChatGPT that will automatically write you a weekly email newsletter to send to your clients to serve as a reminder that you exist, to help them out a little bit each week so that when they need a realtor or somebody they know needs a realtor, your name will be the first one that pops up. Now, it's simple to use. You only have to add a few pieces of information. It will write the newsletter for you. I've got it all set up, formatted. It puts out a quick email newsletter in minutes. Let's give it a try. Now, first, when I'll give you the link, you'll click the link below. It'll take you to this page. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, you'll have to sign up. It's free. You can just use the free account and get all the newsletters you need done every week in just a minute or two. You do simple editing and change bits and pieces that you'd like to change or send it as is. They're pretty good. I think you'll like it. If you come here, there's some example buttons here. You can just click them. It'll whip out a quick newsletter, but it won't be custom to you. First, you go down here where it says Message Real Estate Newsletter Assistant. This is how you talk to ChatGPT. Click on it, type your message. If you don't know what to do, type give me instructions. ChatGPT will tell you exactly what it needs. Name, business name, URL, and your phone number, and also the date the newsletter is going to be sent. Everything else it will do for you. You just edit it a little after it's done, make it the way you want it to be, and get it in the email box. Send it. If you send these weekly emails, they're not pitches. You're not asking them for business. You're simply giving them good advice, ideas, tips, so they remember you when they do need a realtor. It can really help because it keeps you top of mind. They will remember to call you when their friends are talking about buying a house. They'll recommend you automatically because it lets them look good. All right, so here's what we need. We need your name, business name, URL. I just copy and paste that. Control C, type it in here, Control V. Now I add my details. Joe Sanders, business name, Seattle Real Estate, your website, www.Seattle Realtors for you.com, and your phone number 206-123-4567. That's the minimum. That's all you need for sure. But you can also add the newsletter date will be November 14th, 15th, 2024. And that's it. Now all you have to do is hit enter or click this little up arrow. Scroll down. Here's it coming out right now. Weekly insights from Joe Sanders at Seattle Real Estate. You got your contact info right there. Topics that you're going to talk about. Some simple tips. And there you have it. Feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. Your contact info. That's it. That's all it takes. That's easily enough to just get them to read it and see your name. That's all you want. If it's too short for you, you tell it, please make it more in-depth and longer See how fast that is? Minutes. Next week, you can do another one. It'll have different tips. It's always new, useful information that helps them out. This one's really long, lots of value for free. Reminds them of your name, who you are, what you do. And there you have it. I hope you enjoy using this tool. It's very helpful. It only takes a free ChatGPT account and the link. Start using it. I think it'll really increase your business over the next year. That's 52 weekly reminders with good, useful information that they'll enjoy reading, that they'll look forward to. Give it a shot. I think you'll enjoy it. That's enough for this video. See you next time.